Okay guys, so I hear this all the time, right? This is the last and final video, right? I hear this all the time from my clients. You know, they still have a little bit of skepticism when it comes to crypto. They say, well, you know, I bought crypto before and it just went down. Exactly, that's the point, right? That's what you come to us for, right? Because the typical investment when it comes to crypto is you buy it and then you hope price appreciates and it goes up, right? But the problem is you only have one coin, right? And you're banking on the fact that, you know what, we're hoping that price goes up. But at the end of the day, isn't that just the stock market? You're not doing anything special. That's just the stock market. That's just the real estate. That's just all that is, right? You're not doing anything special. Now, if you are going to be in crypto, right, you must stake your coins, right? You got to stake your coins, period, end of story. So for instance, I'm giving you a scenario, right? What people fear is this. I buy one coin, let's say the coin is at $10. I buy one coin, so I spend $10, right? And the value of that coin is $10, fine. Now price goes down to say $5 after a year or two. So guess what? I've lost half my money. That makes sense. That happens all the time, right? And for a lot of people that bought Bitcoin at certain periods during this 10-year time frame, they actually experienced that. As a matter of fact, from 2017 to about 2019, oh, it's brutal, right? You know, you lost a lot of your value, right? However, with brand new ERC20 tokens, right, and brand new coins, they give you the ability to stake. Now, watch this. I have been through your fears, right? And while other people were losing money in the market, guess what? We were able to multiply our funds by what? By 40x in about what? I don't know, about 15 months. Really that simple, right? Actually a little bit more than that, right? Now, how was I able to do that? So let's paint this scenario. You buy one coin that's $10, so its value is $10. Price goes down, now it's $5, right? So guess what? All you got is $5. However, when you're able to actually stake, remember, staking means just put it away and let the smart contract multiply that coin for you, right? Guess what? In a year, that one coin is going to multiply to what? 40, right? In this particular one that I'm talking about, it's going to multiply by 40. So if price goes down to $5, guess what? Your $10 still grew to $200. A lot of people don't know anything about this. This is brand new stuff to a lot of people. Fine, let's say price even goes down to what? $1, right? So you bought it at 10, it goes all the way down to $1, right? Guess what? Because of what? Staking. Because of staking, right? Your investment is now what? $40, right? Guys, that is a 4x return in a year, even though price went down by 10. Makes no sense, right? Exactly. This is something that if you go to our website, we prove this. You know, we show you the videos of how we did this and all that good stuff. Now watch this. This is the best part. And this is the last thing I'm going to tell you guys. Watch this. This is doomsday, right? This is the fear that all you guys have. I buy it at 10, it goes down to 1. Now I got $1, I've lost 9, right? But again, you don't know anything about staking. Staking eliminates all that, right? However, let's be happy for a second. What if price actually goes up to say 50, right? Now what you got? Because of staking, right? So now you invested 10, now you got 50. Okay, you made what, 40, you made $40 profit, right? However, because of staking, right? Now you got 40 coins, right? And now it's $50, right? Guess what? Your $10 investment in a year is now $2,000. Ladies and gents, this is why you come to us, to show you guys how to do these kind of things. When this is not financial advice or anything, we just tell you what we would do. So if this is something that you're interested in, book a call with us and we'll talk you through it. Talk to you soon. Peace.